What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Now this video is going to be separate from the usual live trading compilations that I kind of put together. In today's video, we're just going to be taking a breakdown or doing a breakdown of the trades I took and basically talking about how I went full tilt these past 2 days and what the future holds upon this channel and my trading. So we're going to go straight into the breakdown first, and then I'm going to talk about the future of this channel. So let's just jump straight onto the computer right over here. As we can take a look, I did take a NASDAQ position going long. However, this was like after I took like a $1,300 loss on our main funded account right over here. If I just drag this on up, you can see from the 15th, which is today, we took a $180 loss, $300 loss, I believe. I don't want to get away from the mic here. 500 or 300, kept taking loss, and it brought our account down to negative $1,300 for the day. And I'm not happy about that. Just like yesterday, I went full tilt today. However, I finally was able to catch this reversal to the upside, which I was looking for. And we managed to open up 2 positions, landing at around $2,000 win over here. Same sort of setup as always. Let me just move this out of the way. We had the break above the 13. This time taking a more aggressive position since we kind of came down, almost took out liquidity. So as soon as I saw it kind of go bounce on up, I decided to be aggressive on this and took my entry, and it brought our account back up to $339 to $3,776. However, on our second express funded account, we can see that my protected daily loss limit was hit. We're down $511. The balance is sitting at $651. Now this is not it, guys. Like, I think our highest point, our balance was at $2,100, and somehow I just went full tilt and we brought this account back down to $651. And you know what? I think I got too happy over that win on Monday, that we got that big win, that we do need some changes when it comes to our trading. So I'm gonna be talking about the future of this channel, which I'm gonna come back over here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and withdraw the main account and the second express funded account. So both accounts I'm eligible for a payout. I'm gonna be withdrawing, I think it's $1,800 from the first account and $325 on the second account. I just need a mental reset, basically. I've been taking on more challenges recently, and it's just not been putting my focus on it. So what I think, or what my plan would be, is I'm gonna be withdrawing these accounts because I can't like go full tilt again. I need to take this money out, and it needs to be in my bank account because this is their money until it becomes my money. So I'm gonna be taking out $1,800 from the first account and $325 on the second account. And what I'm going to be doing is trading them very slowly. So the second account is going to be sitting at a balance of $325, which if it goes back down to $0, that's when we lose the account. However, I'm fully accepting that because I'm taking the money out, that I'm going to probably blow the second account, and I'm fully fine with that because I'm going to go ahead and take my time with the first account and buy or purchase more challenges from Top Step to be able to stack up the accounts. My goal is to try to get 4 or 5, because I think they only allow 5 accounts, their max allocation of 50K accounts, and kind of copy trade them all together. So the plan moving forward is I'm going to be withdrawing the money, and I'm going to be purchasing 2 or 3 more challenge accounts so that I can go ahead and try to pass it. But for now, yeah, it's just been, these past 2 days have just not been it. Like I've gone full tilt, and I'm not proud of that. I need to really step back and maybe even just reduce my PDLL for the main express funded account to like $400 and start trading micro contracts or mini contracts. I think it's micro, sorry, start trading micro contracts and not the minis, because like I gotta reduce it from, I was taking 3 contracts per position, 2 contracts per position. I might reduce it to just 1 contract per position and take 2 trades and call it a day. If it's a loss, it's a loss then, because like this, I cannot let this happen again. Like this is the end, basically. I'm gonna be more stricter with my trades. But yeah, that's basically today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you guys all next week. I'm also in the future probably gonna be starting a CFD prop firm series where I will be trying to get max allocation on Alpha Capital Group, and I'm gonna be purchasing a couple challenges from them and bringing you guys along if I pass it or if I blow it. But for now, we will stick to Top Step because everything is just simpler when it's one place. I will see you guys within the next video. Take care and goodbye.